Are you interested in learning how to take food and beverage photography like this with a single light? Then this video is for you. Let's jump right in and take a look at the setup. First, this is the background. In this case, it's a simple sheet of white cardboard curved up on the back half to prevent any seams from showing up in the photo. Next is the position of our main light, which is a Godox 8600 with a 34-inch cheetah stand softbox on it, placed 45 degrees behind the subject. The last thing needed is a white reflector placed 45 degrees on the left front side opposite of our light source. This will allow for a large, soft light source to illuminate the front of our subject with no distracting highlights. I used a 48 by 36-inch project display board from a local craft store. This will instantly look familiar to anyone with kids. Finally, I used a 90mm macro lens with an aperture of f8 at 1/200th of a second and an ISO of 100. And that's it. If you exposed everything properly, then you should have to do minor adjustments in Lightroom in order to get it exactly the way you want. If you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more content just like this.